St. Jacob Garden Center. I'm gonna be here picking up some new koi for my pond. So this is St. Jacob's Country Garden Center. They do have a beautiful pond at the front here with a nice waterfalls over there. And the water fountain. And this is their filtration system, I guess. Nice waterfalls over here too. What do I call this one? Bach water filtration system. You see some fish down there. Let's go inside and check it out. Some nice setting over here. Beautiful waterfalls, pond. Let's go to check out some koi over there. Oh, not so many left. Oh. $150. It's a goldfish of koi. It's goldfish. More goldfish. More goldfish. Don't see any koi over here. There's one. And tell that koi and goldfish. Don't see so many selections, guys. Not too colorful. Well, I was so disappointed at St. Jacob's Garden Center. There was not so many selection of koi to choose from, so I walked out with empty-handed. So now I'm gonna check out at this pet culture and see if any koi's in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go inside here, pet culture, to check if there's any koi. Apparently it's just late to the season already, so I could have come early, but I'll find out. Don't see any much selections over here either. I have to pre-order if I need any pond fish. Oh man. Well guys, my new fish hunt is unsuccessful today. So I guess I'm stuck with this old batch of fish for the time being until next year. Yeah, it's kind of too late into the season to look for new fish. So, oh well, I'll just wait for them for next year then. Well, so not 100% sure. I can't tell if they'll go fish some koi's in here. But oh well. They're nice too anyway. Some of them haven't changed color yet. Still black. Yeah, you can see I've cleaned up a little bit of algae already. We need to do some more bottom cleaning. Some kind of vacuum or use the basket over there to clean it. But it's much better than before now. Less string algae. All right, until next time, guys. See you and enjoy the summer. Bye for now.